In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in HubSpot using API. We'll walk through creating a private legacy app in HubSpot, assigning the right permissions, and securely grabbing the access token you'll use to add contacts programmatically. Make sure you're signed into an account with admin permissions before you begin. Start on your HubSpot home dashboard and open your settings. From there, head into the integrations area. This is where HubSpot lets you connect external tools and manage developer-level access. Choose Private Apps. In some accounts, you'll see an option to go to Legacy Apps. Click that. Legacy Private Apps provide a simple, token-based way to authenticate when you're calling the HubSpot API. Next, create a new legacy app. When prompted, select Private for this example. A private app is only for your own HubSpot account and isn't listed publicly, which keeps access contained to your team. Enter a clear, descriptive name for the app so anyone on your team can recognize its purpose later. Now move to Scopes and add a new scope. Scopes define exactly what your token is allowed to do. Select crm.objects.contacts.read. This permission allows your app to read contact records and their properties, which is helpful for checking whether a contact already exists or verifying that your API calls worked. Then select crm.objects.contacts.write. This permission allows your app to create and update contact records, which is essential for adding contacts via the API. A quick best practice: grant only the scopes you truly need to follow the principle of least privilege. Click Update to apply the scopes, then Create App to finalize it. If you're prompted to continue, choose Continue Creating, so HubSpot completes the setup and takes you to the app's details. Open the Auth section. Here you can reveal your access token by clicking Show Token, and then copy it. Treat this token like a password. Store it in a secure secrets manager or environment variable, never share it publicly, and don't commit it to version control. If you think it's ever been exposed, rotate it immediately from the same screen. You now have a private app and a token with read and write access to contacts. With this in place, your code or automation tool can authenticate to HubSpot and add contacts through the API as needed, all while staying within the permissions you set. That's it for this walkthrough. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.